So what do? We have to surrender. With the one revival, it took a little farm girl to surrender and say, Lord, just meet us. Send out your fire. We have to come purposeful to church. We have to get out of religion because we are robbed Sundays. God wants to do something in us, through us, changing the world. Sundays we come prepared as body so that His revival fire can work through us. Ephesians 5:24 says, now as the church submits to Christ, so also wives should submit everything to their husbands. God is comparing the church with the bride. He's the man and the bride is His church. Now He says, husbands, love your wives as Christ loved the church and gave Himself up for her, that He might sanctify her, having cleansed her by the washing of water with the word, so that He might present the church to Himself in splendor, without spot or wrinkle or any such thing, that she might be holy, without blemish. That's the heart of Jesus, to bring His bride, the church, to the Father, like a beautiful, clean, pure bride.